The Aquaglide Chinook Tandem, an inflatable kayak with multiple seating arrangements for up to 3. At 12.5 feet and 41 pounds in the bag, the Chinook Tandem carries up to 600 pounds. It's a versatile option for 2 paddlers, a family with child or furry friend, or 1 paddler with plenty of room for gear. Stable and easy to launch, the Chinook Tandem is a great choice for recreational paddling on lakes, for fishing, coastal inlets, or rivers. Setup is easy. Unpack, unfold, attach the valves, attach the hose, pump up the floor chamber, close the valve, inflate the side chambers, attach the seats, install the foot braces, install the 3rd seat, attach the tracking fin, and you're done. In less than 10 minutes, you're ready for the water. Features on the Chinook Tandem kayak include front and rear splash guards, bungee deck lacing, 3 Boston valves, molded side handles, velcro paddle holders, D-rings and velcro floor strip for varied seating, padded seats with mesh pocket and fishing rod holders, jumper seat, foot braces, drain plug, removable fin and landing plates. The Aquaglide Chinook Tandem is constructed from a durable, commercial-grade Duratex material blended with a rugged, puncture-resistant 600 denier polyester. The Chinook Tandem Inflatable Kayak is highly versatile and one of the best values on the market. Perfect for 2 paddlers, the Chinook can easily transform into a single kayak with room for camping or fishing gear. Add the 3rd seat and bring along the family. It's rugged, lightweight, sets up quickly, is easy to launch, and is comfortable. And it's so compact it fits in a draw sack. Great for travel, perfect for vacation fun, and all at a great price. At Air Kayaks, we're always happy to answer any questions. Email us at info@airkayaks.com or give us a call at 707-998-0135. See all our inflatable kayaks, paddling gear, and PFDs at airkayaks.com.